Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. Hello, does your akara soak oil? Does it come out flat? Does it come out round like a ball? Well, keep watching because in this video I show you how I prepare akara that does not soak oil and it's not flat but fluffy, soft and round akara. Exactly what you see on the screen. Everyone keep watching and let's dive into it. So in this video we'll be needing number one, mortar. Don't think hey, I know what she's going to do with mortar. What you think that I'm going to do with this mortar is not what I'm going to do with it. So keep watching. I know what I use this mortar for in this very recipe. Keep watching. If you watch this video to the end, you will learn 2 tips on how to make fluffy and round akara. So for this recipe, this very akara, I'll be using honey beans. In Nigeria we have particular beans meant for akara, but in this video I choose to use honey beans. I tried it came out so well, so smooth and so sweet, so flavory. So keep watching. It is already washed, and before washing my beans I always select because of stones, but feel free to use any beans of your choice. So next I'll blend this off camera with a home blender. You could use any local blender, or if you have a good blender, please do that. And if you want to know how to peel your beans without stress, please don't forget to click the description box because the 2 first links will be for that. So after blending off camera, here is what we're going to do with the mortar. In the village in Nigeria, they always use this mortar, and I wonder why they use mortar to mix the batter for this akara until I discover it and I say let me share with you. So keep watching. Next, after blending is super smooth, I go ahead and transfer it into a mortar. Now this is what we use the mortar to do. You use mortar to stir it, to whisk, you know the way you whisk egg, but here we're going to be using the mortar and the hand. So and then I add 1 teaspoon of salt. You're going to mix this in a circular motion. If you mix it maybe from left to right, it's not going to come our way. So you're going to be mixing this on one direction, exactly what you see me do on the screen, for 10 to 15 minutes. Now the reason for this is such that so that your akara, it's fluffy, number one, then it does not soak oil. If you notice the first video, the first akara I showed you in the beginning of this video does not have a single oil on it, and it's very crunchy outside. So next, in a clean pan, I add my oil and allow to heat up for 10 to 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes I will begin to add the batter bit by bit. Now another tip is that the oil does not heat up very well. As you can see, if you allow the oil to heat very well before adding the batter, it makes some of the oil the batter to spill over all the oil. Then you'll be having small akara, big akara. So after I added the batter, the quantity that the pan could contain, I increase the flame and allow it to heat up. So once it turns golden brown, exactly what you see on the screen, take your stick as you see me do on the screen and gently turn. So you can see that the akara on the screen is not flat, it's puffed up very well, and the outside, the body is crunchy. If you touch it, it's super soft, and the inside is super soft. It does not soak oil. That is another thing. So in this video I share 2 tips with you. The first is using mortar. Then if you do not have mortar in area where you live, feel free to use your hand mixer, your mixing machine to mix for 10 to 15 minutes. So your akara will come out super round, fluffy and soft inside, while the outside is crunchy. If you touch it, it's super soft. So I will allow this to fry for 30 minutes depending on how you want. If you want it dark golden brown, then you can fry it more like what you see on the screen. That's exactly how we like it. So after that is done, I will take it aside and repeat the same method until I finish all the batter. So this akara is one of Nigerian popular breakfast, Saturday breakfast, Sunday breakfast. So this is it. It is ready. It goes with oaf, it goes with pap, that is akamu. So this is what I'm talking about. You see how fresh, how this akara look outside, look at the inside. Is super soft and fluffy, very yummy. Everyone, this akara was super delicious. Everyone was rushing it, and I said, let me share this method with you. Let me know at the comment section what you think about this recipe, the video, and don't forget to comment, share, like. Don't forget to thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so, and please, for more recipes on this channel, don't forget to click the description box for me. All right, stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video, and bye for now.